What's up, guys? Hey, so yesterday I did a video on a rotisserie chicken, and I wasn't going to post the video because I had a few boo-boos. I goofed, forgot to hit record as I was preparing or prepping the chicken to put it on the spit for the rotisserie. Forgot to press record, and it is what it is. But also, I didn't have any strings, so I wasn't able to tie the chicken up correctly. It's kind of flopping around on the rotisserie. Came out good though. Yardbird's delicious. That Sucklebusters clucker dust is money, let me tell you. But too bad the director of the video and the actor in the video didn't have his stuff together. You know what I mean? And I wasn't gonna post it, but why not? So that's what you're gonna see. And try to be a little more conscious on when I do my videos, and really liked not so much a perfectionist, but I want to put out good videos, and this isn't really a good video in my opinion, but check it out, and we'll go from there, and I appreciate you. Hey guys, today's video I'm making a rotisserie chicken on the Weber kettle, seasoned with Sucklebusters clucker dust, and that's it. It's gonna be great. Haven't decided whether I'm going to sauce it or not. Probably will, probably won't. Don't know. It's going to be a surprise. It's going to be as we go, do as we go. Check it out. All right, guys. So you know I'm new to YouTube, right? New channel. I thought I had pressed record during. I'm doing all this talking and getting this bird all, ready to go, and on this spit here, this fork spit, I guess it's called, for the rotisserie, and got it all done, put my Sucklebusters seasoning on there and everything. Went back and realized I hadn't hit record. Rookie mistake, my apologies, but here's the bird all seasoned up, ready to go outside. We'll take you there next. All right, and there she is. She's on the rotisserie. I didn't have any string to tie the legs together. I had a roll in my barbecue box, but I actually left it at another buddy's house. So that's all right. I've learned on these rotisserie chickens that those legs, they will, as it's cooking, they'll kind of come back together. But it almost looks like it's alive still. It's moving around. Really digging this rotisserie. Weber kettle. Pan back a little bit. See it all its goodness and glory. Cooking on B&B today. Got B&B lump right here. There you go. It's always B&B. Got 2 Weber charcoal baskets on the end and a pan in the middle just to catch drippings. And yeah, man, we'll go from there. Check back in a little bit. Can't wait. Gonna be good. degrees, 425 degrees. Looking good. Looking good. B&BCharcoal, Weber kettle. Love this setup. Love this setup. Good deal, good investment. Let's see if the bird looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Been turning for about 30 minutes now. Gosh, I wish you could smell this. Yardbird. Smells good. Looks good. Golden brown. Oh yeah, look at those juices just roll off of that. Rotisserie. Bring it. All right, Yardbird's been on about an hour and a half. See where it's at. 168. Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah, 175 on that side. Yeah, this thing's lit ready. It looks good. Nice color. The legs a little scattered. Talking to Chef Johnny, he told me I should have trusted, should have tied it. Yeah, next time I will. For sure. Do what Chef says, right? All the time. But it is what it is. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. We'll see. We'll take it inside, let it rest for a bit, and we'll pick up the video from there. All right, we're inside here. Gonna go ahead and just take a slice here. That skin looks a little rubbery. That's all right. Now it's good down here on this side. Oh yeah, look at that. Juicy. Looks good. Looks juicy. Good color in here. See that? Looks good. Flip it over and check the breast. Whoa, that bone came right out. Ah. Cut on his breast here. Oh yeah. Other than that skin being a little rubbery, it's hot. Look at that. Looks good to me. Let's give it a taste. All right, guys, let's give this a taste test. Start with a little dark meat. See how shiny that is? Yeah. Dark meat's got a lot of flavor. Definitely picking up a lot of Sucklebusters clucker dust, for sure. Let's try a little bit of that white meat. Looked a little dry. I don't know. See what I can do here. I'm sorry I'm not watching or recording me cutting this chicken, but you know, trust me, I am. And there you go. Good skin. Very tender. Pretty good. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, that's the dogs asking for some. You hungry? You want some? Anyway, let me know how you do your rotisseries. Without tying it, I should have tied the legs together, made it all cook a little more evenly, tuck the wings in. And I'll do that next time. I didn't have any string to do that, but you know, it's still all right. I like it. It's good. I think the family will like it. I know the dogs are gonna like it, but they're not getting any. Maybe a little bit. Cool. Leave comments below. Let me know what you think. Tell me what I did wrong. If you think I did something wrong, let me know how you do yours. Do you brine? Do you inject? What do you do? I'm all right with it. It's gonna make some good eating. So tear it up, have some dinner. Catch you on the next one. Thanks. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, tell a friend. I hope you will. Pass it on. Have a good one.